All right, so I'm gonna do another video for y'all. Finally, I think it's only been about a year since I did my last one. So I've had several people ask me when I was gonna do another video, and finally getting around to it. Going to be building a doghouse today for my two dogs that I got, and I'll show y'all what a doghouse from Amazon gets you and why I'm building one. So that there is what a doghouse on Amazon gets you. Not a whole lot. Doesn't hold up to the weather, to the dogs. Even underneath this porch, the wind and stuff just tore it up. So all these stupid chickens, got a bunch of them. There's their little hangout. I didn't get that on video, but I still got a little bit left to do on that. I got to still finish trimming it and paint it, but it's livable for them. The yard looks like trash. Every time it rains, I get a river back here, so it's all muddy. And this is something else that's been going on here. Have this oak tree. This is where all the water comes and settles, and it just got too soft. That tree fell over, so I've been cutting that up. As y'all can see, it was technically on my property because you probably can't see it, but there's a barbed wire fence that runs back here, and it's between the barbed wire fence and my fence, and so I guess it was technically on my property. So I've been cutting it up. I'm gonna try to sell all that firewood. So, all right, let's go and build that doghouse. So I'm not gonna do any talking on this video. I'm just gonna put on time lapse and just have y'all just watch how I build it. All right, so other than a few white touch-ups I need to do, I got it done. Oops. So hope y'all have enjoyed this rather long video. I'll try to be getting more videos out, just I don't know when. But so that's it. I hope the dogs enjoy it. Now I gotta find somebody to help me get it to the backyard because it's freaking heavy. So, all right, well, that's gonna do it for this one, and I will see y'all on the next one. Y'all have a good day.